Good afternoon, children. Today we are doing color identification activity. Which activity? Color identification activity. Okay. First, I call Pranay Reddy. Come. Sit first. Take red color. Right. Keep it. Very good. Claps. D. Harsha. What is the color of that jar? Right. Keep it. Very good. Claps. Sadia, come. What is the color of that jar?
Orange.
Take orange color. Keep it. Very good. Neha Ligita. Sit. What is that color of jar?
Red.
Take red color. What is that color?
Red.
Very good. Anshi. What is the color of jar?
Yellow.
Take yellow color. Here. Okay, very good. Ram Krishna. What is that color of jar? Say, which color?
Orange.
Very good. Claps. Pranay Simha. Come. Sit here. What is that color of jar? What is that color?
Blue color.
Take blue color. Keep it. Very good. Harshavardhan. What is that color of jar? What is that color?
Green color.
Take green color. Take it. Very good. Hanish. What is that color of jar?
Purple color.
Very good. Take purple color beads. Very good. Clap. What is the color of that jar?
Blue color.
Okay, take blue color beads. Very good. Urvika. Sit. Move front. What is the color of that jar?
Green.
Take green color. This side. Take. Very good. Reshwant. What is that color of jar?
Purple color.
Very good. Take purple color. Take violet color. Very good.